Hello friends. So I'm going to start one new series which is based on the solution of previous year mains question paper. So today we are starting with 2019 mains MPPSC 2019 mains paper 1. Now we are going to discuss paper 1. So initially I am going to discuss some 3 marker questions, and we have to know how and what we can write and how to write these questions. So okay, without wasting time, we have to start our discussion. So first question, as all of you know, that it was asked from world history. So the question was Thermidorian reaction. So in Thermidorian reaction, what one can write? uh, so the number one thing which came into the mind after reading this thing is this is out of syllabus question, but no, if you read Tamil Nadu history textbook, a new version of new edition of Tamil Nadu textbook, then you can find this term Thermidorian reaction is given there. So what one can write in 3 marker, because in 3 marker question we have to write only 15 to 20 words. So we are very careful while writing the 3 marker answer, because in 3 marker question one can get full out of full if you write 3 good points. So here we can see what we can write. So see, in Thermidorian reaction, the first thing is it is related to French Revolution as given here. Then second point, one can write the time period. So it was took place in 1794-95. Total length approximately it was 15 months, and it was in between Reign of Terror and the Directory. So we all know that the French Revolution started in 1789 till, and it goes on till 1799. So this is the time period. And then third point one can write, this Thermidorian reaction was based on liberal conservative counter revolution. So this is one important point. Then other important events which happened during Thermidorian reaction were, uh, one was end of Reign of Terror. So we all know how it ends. It ends after the execution of Maximilian Robespierre. Then another important point is decentralization of executive power from the Committee of Public Safety. So this is one important thing. Then we move on to the next question, that was Bill of Rights 1689. So in Bill of Rights, uh, so what one can write again? So number one point, this Bill of Rights is related to history of England. Okay, so this was an act which was very important for the constitutional mechanism of the England. So this act, this particular act, Bill of Rights, this got royal assent on 16th of December 1689, and it was signed by William III and Mary II. So then the second point is this particular act, Bill of Rights 1689, is was an landmark act in the constitutional law of England. And what was the significance of this particular act? So it created constitutional monarchy in England. What does it mean? It means before this, in England, the monarch, the king or queen, they were all powerful. Okay, so after this act, the parliament over uh, override the monarch. Then next point is, uh, in world history, this Bill of Rights is also important because it provides inspiration to US Bill of Rights. Okay, then we move on to our next question, that is enclosure movement. So it is again related to the history of England. So basically it began in 12th century, and rapidity during 1450 to 1640. And once again, before industrial revolution, this enclosure movement was very intensified during 18th and 19th century. What was the reason of this intensification? Because as we all know, industrial revolution was based on some resources. England has surplus production of some crops like cotton, potatoes, etc. So England used those crops to cater the need of industrial revolution later on. So in place we can write in this fashion also 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. So the place where it took place was England. And what is the meaning of enclosure movement? So it was a consolidation of communal fields, meadows, pastures and other arable lands in Western Europe. So I think these 3-4 points are sufficient. And then the fourth question was Rigvedic Panchajan. So here Rigvedic Panchajan, the literary meaning of this is 5 people, but we can write 2 things in Rigvedic Panchajan. One could be for example, as given in Atreya Brahmana. We all know that the Rig Veda and other Vedas also, they are divided into Brahmana, Sanhita and so on. So according to Atreya Brahmana, the Panchajana means god, men, Gandharvas, Apsaras, snakes or Nagas, and the fathers means departed souls. And other meaning of Rigvedic Panchajana could be, Panchajana means 5 people. So according to mythology and the Rigvedic hymns, so Panchajana were son of King Yayati. So again, King Yayati has 5 sons, as we can see here. So among them are Yadus and Turvasas. So they were son of King Yayati and Queen Devyani. Then next 3 like Dhuryus, Anus and Purus. These are the sons of King Yayati and Queen Sharmishtha. Okay, so we can write this thing also. Next question is Vasubandhu. So as we all know, Vasubandhu, he was a great Buddhist scholar from Gandhara region, and he was patronized by Samudragupta, the great Gupta ruler Samudragupta. And Vasubandhu wrote commentary on Abhidhamma Pitaka, which was named as Abhidhamma Kosa Karika. And Vasubandhu was related to Mahayana sect, and he was considered as one of the founder of Yogacharya school of Buddhism, Mahayana Buddhism. And in Abhidharma, his philosophical teachings are given. So these are 5 questions today we discussed. In my next video, I will discuss the next 10 questions of 3 marker, and later on I'll be discussing those 6 marker and 15 marker also. If you like this video, then please share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye.